Hi friends, welcome back to Riding with Cash. So today I'm going to share a piece of history that's not very far from here and something that always makes you smile. You know, Charlie Chaplin. We talk about Charlie Chaplin, we all just smile, right? And we remember the character of the tramp. Interestingly, this character was built not very far from where I live. It's a short ride. And the story is about, as simple as it can get, Essanay Studios in those days, almost 100 years ago, 1914, hired Charlie Chaplin to make some films. So he shot a bunch of films here in Chicago and in Niles, because that's where the studios were. And the old Essanay Studios, not very far, about a mile from here, goes to old Vietnamese Town. It's a beautiful ride. And we can check it out where this whole history happened. You know, Chaplin was so smart, so brilliant, that he actually introduced emotions and slapstick comedy. And the actual character of Tramp was actually built here. The first short film was done here, where the famous, shot of him, walking with a stick, and with back towards you, and he turns around optimistically and looks at it and smiles, and off to his next adventure. Same thing like Riding with Cash. So let's go and check the adventure of Charlie Chaplin, where he started and became an iconic character for the world. So let's go. So we are in the compounds of old Essanay Studio. If you like watching Riding with Cash, hit subscribe and join me on the next ride.